Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Paul Folker. I am the salesman for GapVax down here on the Gulf Coast. We've got a few gentlemen with me today. Over here running the camera is Bernd Blazowski. He's our sales engineer. We have Eric Carella here is our salesman for the Northeastern United States. And Gary Walker is our demo guy slash builder slash everything. He's a very knowledgeable guy that comes down here a lot when we have demonstrations that we do for y'all. We're going to be showing you today one of our SV10 units from GapVax. These are manufactured in Johnstown, Pennsylvania at our facility. This is a unit that we do for guys who are doing water blasting and trying to reclaim the water. This is a great little unit. This is something that would be applicable oil spill reclamation, or where you're vacuuming up for oil spills and things like that. And it's a unit that quite frankly, is very economical and very easy to transport. The weight on this thing is only about 2,700 pounds, so you can haul it on a 1-ton dually. We do build it with either a steel or aluminum frame for the base. It's got forklift pockets on both ends and both sides, so you can pick it up and transport it around inside a building. The one that you'll see here is built with a diesel engine on it. It's a 50-horse diesel engine. We do offer it with an electric motor also. A couple things about this unit. The design of this unit is so that I can vacuum and discharge at the same time. So if you're a guy doing hydroblast and you want to try to reclaim your water, we have a standalone filter that we can do with this. And if you're in an area where you're trying to vacuum up that material and just get it out of the building or out of wherever you're hydroblasting, this can pump off outside to a truck or however you want to do it, into a container. This is a unit, it's 15 inches of vacuum at 770 CFM of air. It does produce 920 CFM, but at a full 15 inches of vacuum at 770. It's got a 220-gallon debris tank on there, and we actually do have a final filter before the blower on here that's a poly mesh filter. It's rated to 10 microns. We've got a 3-inch vacuum relief valve set at 15 inches. We also offer a 4-inch manual vacuum relief valve back here so that you can break vacuum on the spot. Gary is actually going to run our demonstration today, and what he's going to do is fire it up. We're going to vacuum out of the tank over here, and then we're going to pump off back into the tank. As I said, we can pump off into many different types of containers or vehicles. And we do have on here, we also offer an exhaust silencer. We've got the fuel tank built in. This is a completely contained unit without the filter. The filter is the only standalone that you would do. Before we get started, do we have any questions on this? One thing down at the end you'll notice too, there is a 20-inch clean out on here. So it's a very easy unit to clean out when you're done using it. Gary, you want to go ahead and fire it up? Now, as you can tell, we can run a constant vacuum on here. We can run the pump constantly. This unit is set to 40 gallons per minute for the pump off. We can build them up to 80 gallons per minute if you wanted to put 2 or 4 hydroblaster units together so that we can handle all the water you would generate for all of them. Now Eric's braking vacuum on the unit while we still pump off. So whatever's left in the debris tank, after he brakes vacuum, we can still pump that material out of the unit. Now, as I said, this unit has a 50 horse diesel engine on there. We do also offer it with electric for if you're inside buildings or things where you need to use it. This unit is for sale. And the guy in the Pirates hat, he probably gets a discount. So, but other than that, if you have any questions, please come see me. Thank you very much for your time, folks.